Hello and welcome to the personal property tour for 25 Adamson Terrace in Leven. This is a fantastic opportunity to really add value and make the perfect home. This property has got so much to offer and I can't wait to talk you through and show you exactly where you can add value. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-reception, semi-detached property with panoramic views from the main bedroom and the lounge. You've got a really substantial private garden to the rear with off-street parking at the end, but you also have potential to create a drive at the front of this property and do off-street parking also, so plenty of potential to add value, making the perfect home. So let me take you on the tour, and as always keep listening until the end for how to get further details. So this is your property here, number 25, so completely walled private front garden. Get access just through this gate here. Now what other neighbouring properties have done is they have actually opened this up and created a driveway for off-street parking, because as you can see you do have the space to do that, especially as you have all this down the side. So this is the front of your property and we'll just get access through this door into your entrance vestibule area. So you come straight into this kind of porch area. Now I'm going to save that room until the end and you'll see why. But then we just enter the property through this further door. Now as always we're going to start upstairs and work our way down. Now don't forget potential to add value, so I'm going to talk you through that as we go around. But your 2 bedrooms are on the upper level, so we're going to start just on our left. So into here for your first generous sized double bedroom. Now straight away you'll see just how bright it is in here as well. It's a really bright property, especially when we get to the rear. But this is your first bedroom, as you can see, built-in storage there, so plenty of space to hide everything away. But this is your first bedroom. Then we just have your bathroom in here, so you have your wash hand basin, WC, and then thermostatic shower over bath. So that is your bathroom. Then we go along into the main bedroom, and straight away you can see that sun beaming in because you have the most gorgeous big bay-like windows to the front. But look at this for a master bedroom. Isn't this just amazing? Such a great size. You can see there you have your obviously fitted storage. But look at that, isn't that incredible? So much natural light beaming in, but it also means as we get closer you'll see that you can just take full advantage of the panoramic view completely along there. So let's see if we can just zoom in to show you. But look at that. Completely panoramic. Can see obviously the 4th just over there, and as we pan round, but that's just incredible. So that is your outlook from your main bedroom, and that is also a sneak peek at your garden, which we are going to come to. But look at this for a main bedroom. It's just incredible. Plenty of space with this. So let's head downstairs and show you exactly where else you can add value. Now continuing with the big bright windows and all the natural light flooding in, we're going to come into your lounge and look at this. This is just incredible. It's exactly the same, getting to take full advantage of the views. It's really private as well, you're not overlooked, which is just amazing, and it's such a big bright room. And it's so peaceful here as well, it's amazing. But this is your outlook again. And then you just obviously have your feature fireplace, alcove that you could build storage into if you wish, just like obviously the other side. But what a great sized lounge. And don't forget, I did say 2 reception, which you'll see as we continue on. But we're coming into the kitchen. So in here you can see that you've actually got contemporary cabinets and worktop. Obviously you've got the popper colour with the tiles. but it's actually a generous sized kitchen. And what's great, again, utilise it for how obviously you like, but you have this almost breakfasting area here, whether you wanted to put appliances under there or actually just get 2 stools and have that as a breakfasting area, because you do still have all of this worktop space. What's great as well is you do have this pantry area here that's already shelved for you, and it does actually go the full length, so that's a great addition just for kind of pantry storage. But this is your kitchen space. And something else that I want to show you where I would be adding value if it was me is you have just behind this door here kind of at the minute it's just a really large cupboard that obviously houses the water tank, but what I would be doing in there is I would be putting a WC, so I would be fitting a WC in there just to add value. But this is your kitchen space, and then I've been saving this till the very end, so a great addition, and I love this space. It's kind of tucked away from the rest of the house, so it's really peaceful, but you come through this door and you come into this amazing sunroom space. Just look at that. So peaceful in here as well. And it just allows you to take full advantage, especially on a day like today. We've got a beautiful day today, so it's really showcasing it. But this is just incredible. And you have the windows all along that side as well. So this is such a great addition. Whether you wanted to have this as a second, obviously, lounge area, if you needed a working from home space, a study, you've got so much potential and options with this space. But the main thing is you can just sit here, relax, and just take in, looking obviously at your garden space, but also that panoramic view. Just beautiful. So enough talking about the garden, let's just go out and actually see it. So we'll head into your garden space. Now again, there is so much potential with the garden as well, and again, if you look at neighbouring properties, some have extended into the garden space, some have added decking, patio areas, summer houses. There is so much potential, but just look at all this. You've got so many mature plants and shrubs. You can hear the birds in the background. I think I'm also disturbing a few bees as well. But it keeps going down, and we are going to make our way down because actually you've got such a substantial garden space, and then right at the end there is actually a garage, and you can come all the way around and do parking at the back as well if you wish. But let's just see how far we've come so far. So that is your property there, and then we're going to keep making our way down the garden. Obviously it's tiered, you have your greenhouse area, outdoor storage with your shed. You could also have obviously a vegetable patch to grow your own fruit and veg as well, which would be amazing. Patio area for sitting out, because you can see we are right in the sun. So this is all yours. Still going down. Should have worn different shoes for this perhaps. Still going down. And then as you can see here, this is all yours as well. And then this is your gate access. So then, as I say, to get that off-street parking at the rear. So that's there for you. But this is all yours. So let's just see if we can see it standing back here. That is your property all the way back up there, and this is all of your outdoor space. So really substantial plot, great potential to add value. So let's recap number 25. That was the personal property tour for 25 Adamson Terrace in Leven. As you've just seen, a really fantastic 2-bedroom, 2-reception, semi-detached property. Great opportunity to really add value and make the perfect home, whether you want to obviously do off-street parking at the front, add that WC downstairs, and then obviously you have so much potential with this garden as well because it's so substantial, really private, and of course you get to take full advantage from both your bedroom and your lounge for those gorgeous panoramic views. So it really is the perfect home in a really central location as well, with everything on your doorstep within Leven, walking distance to all your local amenities, walking distance as well, and you can be at the Leven beach, right along the prom and onto the Fife Coastal Path. Also great for commuting now, we've got obviously the Leven train station and of course the bus station, so you can be connected all across Fife and beyond. So great location while being able to take full advantage of everything that this property has to offer. So if you'd like to get further details, you can click the link, message me directly, or you can call the team on 01333 421 774. Sophie at Fife Properties TV, take care.